In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. The process is simple and once mastered will enhance your ability to organize and manage your projects efficiently. Let's jump right into the details. To begin, you'll need to log into Monday.com. Open your browser and enter the URL for Monday.com or simply launch the Monday app if you have it installed on your device. Enter your credentials to sign in to your account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create or modify boards within your workspace. Now that you are logged in, you can start creating your new board. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the plus new button. From the menu that appears, choose board. This is the starting point for creating a new workspace to manage your projects or tasks. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a board type. If you want to build something entirely from scratch, opt for a blank board. This choice gives you the freedom to tailor everything according to your needs. Alternatively, you can select from a variety of templates that Monday.com offers. Templates can be a massive time saver as they come pre-structured for various purposes such as project management, team planning, CRM, marketing campaigns, and work schedules. Using a template can help you get started quickly and efficiently. Once you've chosen the type of board, it's time to give it a name. Assign a clear and descriptive title to your board, such as Marketing Projects, September 2025. After naming your board, the next crucial step is to select the privacy settings. You have the choice between private, shareable, and main. A private board is accessible only to specifically invited members. A shareable board can involve external collaborators, making it an excellent choice for partnership projects. Meanwhile, a main board is visible to your entire team or workspace. With your board set up, it's time to add columns, which will help you build the structure of your board. Click on the plus add column button and choose the types that best suit your workflow. Common options include people for assigning tasks, status to monitor progress, date or timeline for deadlines, text or notes for additional details, and drop-down or tags to categorize tasks. After setting up your columns, proceed to add tasks or items. Each task can be a project milestone, action item, or anything that you're tracking. Click on plus add item and make sure to fill in relevant details for each task, such as assigning team members and setting deadlines. Now you are ready to choose how you want to view your board. Options include table or list view, which offers a spreadsheet style design, Kanban or board view for a visual workflow, timeline or Gantt view for a project schedule perspective, and calendar view for viewing tasks by date. Finally, save your board and start inviting team members. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and begin collaborating on your projects. Your new board is now ready to streamline your work and improve team productivity.